Hi, this is Valerie with At My Home, and today we're going to talk about food processors. Well, this is my old workhorse food processor that I've had for almost 20 years. And about a month ago, I noticed that there was this little chip here, I don't know if you can see it, on the bowl. And I thought, well, that's not a big deal. But then I realized it doesn't really lock, so the Cuisinart doesn't work anymore. So I shopped around for a bowl, couldn't find anything. I thought, oh, I actually have to replace it. I was kind of bummed. I really love this food processor. It's so simple, easy to use, on, off pulse. I didn't want all that complicated stuff. I didn't need an app for my food processor. So I shopped around and I found this one. This is the Cuisinart Custom 14 Cup food processor. So let's open it up and check it out. Let's push this one out of the way. Go there. So here it is. It is 14 cups. It sounds kind of big, so I'm actually a little concerned how big it's going to be. We'll see how it compares to my old one. I think this one was like 9 or 10 cups or something. All right, so here we go. We've got a bag. They give us a spatula. It's kind of nice. Instruction and recipe booklet. Okay, this is the top bowl here. All right. Let's start by unpacking this. I think I gotta be kind of careful because this stuff's pretty sharp. So this is a grater. It's pretty nice. Very heavy duty. All right, so this is the top of the bowl. So this is really neat because you can already see like how wide this thing is. Like, look how wider it is than that one. It's pretty nice. I don't know what that is. Here's another very sharp slicing disc. I think this is like, yeah, this is a very sharp disc. It's so sharp they've got a caution label on it so I don't accidentally slice my finger off. Make an interesting video. All right. Okay, here's another part to this. Oh, this is neat. Huh. All right, so let's get the rest of it out of the box here. So here's the big bowl. Let's move this here. This other stuff up. Put it together. I don't think I need these bags. And then in here is the base. This is actually kind of heavy. So I'm going to turn this box on its side. Whoa, very heavy. Oh, man. All right, so this is a pretty big unit. It's it's very heavy. It's very sturdy. It looks like it's probably maybe like 50% bigger than the old one. But it's very obvious here. It's got 2 huge buttons on, which is nice. And then it snaps in place. My other one wasn't that easy to use. And then there's off or pulse, which is really nice. Super easy, really easy to use. It looks great because it's stainless steel, so matches our appliances. And let's go ahead and put it together because it's so easy to do here. Now it's got the big Cuisinart blade in here that they already left in. Those things are super scary, so be careful with that. And it's nice. It's got all the features here in this little thing. So it's a really nice bowl. It's very, very sturdy, very easy to put on, very intuitive since I've been using this thing for a long time. I'm going to go ahead and put this blade in here. Put this guy on. Snaps into place. And that's it. It's really nice. It's very, very shiny. It's got a huge bowl here. But, you know, I was a little worried about 14 cups because that sounded like a lot. But it's not that It's not overly big, but it looks like it'll be really nice to make big portions of things. I really love to make hummus in the food processor, so I can make a lot of hummus for a party or other things, chop onions, all kinds of stuff. So really looking forward to trying this out. It's really nice and shiny, and it's going to hopefully last as long as this guy over there. Okay, so to review, inside this box for the 14-cup food processor, you get this really nice heavy-duty unit, stainless steel, very shiny. And this is the standard bowl that you use for most things, and the blade inside. It's got a really nice, very wide thing here where you can put whole pieces of food in there, or you can use this one so you can put smaller things or pour liquid in there. It also comes with these extra 2 blades. This is extremely sharp one here. It's a slicing blade. And also this one, which is great for grating. I'm looking forward to doing that because I always hurt myself using the grater. Also comes with a spatula. Not really sure what this is, but I'm assuming that it's to hold these blades in place. And it comes with instructions and a recipe book. So that's it. That's the Cuisinart 14-cup food processor, and I'm looking forward to trying it out. Thank you. Thanks for watching our video today. We've included more information, including links where to buy, in the description box below. And while you're there, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel to see more videos. And for more smart home and smart kitchen stories, visit appmyhome.com. Thank you.